Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Health and Beauty Tips. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to get rid of dry skin. To get rid of dry skin, we need to have two things. First is vitamin E capsules and next is Nivea cream. And before applying this tip, please do subscribe to our channel. So now we need to take some cream and put it in a bowl and take one vitamin E capsule. Mix this mixture well. Apply this mixture. Let it dry for some few minutes in your skin so that it can grab some oiliness. So after washing my face, this is how my skin looks. All the dryness is being gone. And so you too try this trick and please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about my videos. Thank you.